to make your dog happy. Keep watching. Okay, Colby, my Colby is drinking water. Hello guys, how to make your dog happy? Bacon. Bacon strips is the #1 ingredient. Real meat is the #1 ingredient with bacon and cheese flavor. And here's the 50 ounces club size pepperoni. It is real beef is the #1 ingredient. So another one, milk bone, 100% rawhide, free, long lasting. So this is the one that makes Kobe happy, right? Good. Are you ready for your treat? Yes, Kobe, give you some treat. Are you ready? Hi, you want some treat? Mommy will give you some. Okay, Kobe. Hi. Shake hands first. Shake hands. Shake hands. Shake hands. Shake hands, baby. Go, go. Shake hands. Sit down. Sit down. Shake hands. Good boy. You're so good. My baby is so good. Oh my goodness. Are you ready? Okay, mommy will get you some, okay? Yes. We also got him Purina. This is food for small dogs. I don't really like much, but my husband said you have to mix it so you have balanced diet. So this is real beef with vegetables. Sit. 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 Shake hands. Good boy. Down. 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 Come on down. Down. Good boy. Roll over. Roll over. Good boy. Good boy. Good.